Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Mobile Buzz 2.0. Today, we're talking about the future of Samsung's foldables, specifically the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 6. The Z Flip 5 was a game changer, but there's always room for improvement. Join us as we explore what could make the Z Flip 6 the best flip phone on the market. The evolution of Galaxy Z Flip. Since its debut in 2020, the Galaxy Z Flip series has transformed Samsung's approach to flip phones. The Z Flip 5 brought a more spacious cover screen and a sleeker design, setting a high standard for its successor. For the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 6, we're expecting not just routine upgrades like a new processor, but also significant enhancements in battery life and camera technology to match the Galaxy S series. Software enhancements to watch for. The real potential for the Galaxy Z Flip 6 lies in its software capabilities. Samsung's introduction of Flex Mode was revolutionary, allowing the device to split apps between the top and bottom screen when folded. Recent additions, such as turning the bottom half into a mousepad, have made the phone more functional. But there's more that can be done. With the advent of Galaxy AI, we anticipate unique, fold-specific features that could truly differentiate the Z Flip 6 from its competitors. The future of Galaxy Z Flip's interface. Looking ahead, the Z Flip 6 software should be a major focus. The larger cover screen introduced in the Z Flip 5 was a step in the right direction, making the phone more usable when closed. However, to really stand out, Samsung could enhance its software to offer new, practical features tailored specifically for the foldable experience. Perhaps integrating unique Galaxy AI capabilities or enhancing interaction with the cover screen could provide the edge Samsung needs. Outrow. That's our take on what could make the Galaxy Z Flip 6 a standout in the rapidly evolving foldable market. What features do you think are essential for the next Z Flip? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell to keep up with all the latest updates right here on Mobile Buzz 2.0. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.